Hello everyone, my name is Chef Eric and today we're going to be making an African pancake, and I hope you do enjoy the video. It's going to be a very short video, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. So now here we are. We have oil, and we have water here, and we have our mixing bowl. We have wire whisk, and we have flour. And to start off, we're going to get 4 tablespoons of flour, 3 and 4, and then we're going to set this aside, put this aside, and then we will take our wire whisk, and then we're going to add water while whisking, and then we're going to put some sugar. Of course, this is sugar, 1 tablespoon and a half of sugar. Put this aside, and then we will continue to whisk until you get the right sequence. As you can see, our sequence is a little bit thicker. We're going to mix well. We add the water in, and then we whisk a little more till you get this is the right texture that I was looking for. This is the right texture, as you can see. This is the right texture, and then we're going to add our oil. This is the best brand in the market so far, fresh fry. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to put this aside also, and then we're going to be mixing as well till you make sure the oil is well mixed in the texture. So yeah, this is the right texture. So now this is the final product that I was looking for, and from now we're going to get our pan, a non-stick pan if you can get, that's the best, and then we start making our pancakes. So once again, this is our pan. We've added a little oil to just going to turn down the fire. So we have an oil in here, and just to make the pan a little bit non-sticky. It's a non-stick itself, but we don't want to struggle with the pancake when we're moving it. And so we add our mixture to get the right size of the pancake. So yeah, that is the pancake, and we're gonna wait. That's what I'm talking about. See? Yeah. Now we wait till you see where it's goldenish brown, well cooked. Yeah, we don't want to get some shady kind of colors. Yeah. So yeah, this is the pancake. We want to wait just a little bit for it to be cool. We can turn it over. check. Boom. It's not yet ready, but let it cook for a while and then we turn it. Yeah, so basically that is the shortest version of my actually pancake. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next